In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on your Samsung smart television. So it's actually super straightforward. You just need to head over to the settings menu on your television. Now to do this, you can just press the home button located on your TV remote. Then from here, scroll all the way to the left and you'll see this option for settings. Press OK. Alternatively, you may have a settings button actually placed on your remote control. You can see down at the bottom here, I have this button labeled settings. So if we press this, this will also bring up the settings menu directly. Then from here, scroll all the way down to general, come across and scroll down again, select system manager. And in here, you'll see the option for language. Now, if this option is currently grayed out like it is on my television, then to fix this, you simply need to change the source mode on your television. So at the moment, I have this YouTube app in the background, which is preventing the language from showing. So what I'm going to do is press the source button on my TV remote, and I'm just going to change over to my HDMI 1. Then if I head back over to the settings menu, come back down to general, scroll across and select System Manager, you can see now we have the option for language. So if you just go ahead and select that, you can now change the television language to any of the languages in here. So for example, if I select France, that's going to go ahead and change everything into French. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.